Bullish Elrond cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $191.76 and $362.21 by 2030. Market investigators accept EGLD could reach $149.15 by 2025. Bearish Elrond market cost expectation for 2023 is $34.09. Elrond presentation. Numerous digital money projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the fate of their undertakings and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond is one of those conventions that is centered around building an imaginative blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to some degree control the framework state, which helps construct the organization system. This organization has released another condition of advanced design and innovation. However, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond environment, its cost exhibition since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost forecast. With the erratic developments in the digital currency market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the exhibition of your venture would be with the guide of cutting-edge specialized examination devices and forecast specialists. What is Elrond? Elrond Network, likewise alluded to as egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming designers Benjamin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. However, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. egld is a blockchain framework that uses sharding for the purpose of expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the confirmation of stake agreement instrument. It has a greatest stockpile of 31,415,926 egld tokens, which is expanded yearly yet thusly diminishes the marking prizes in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops as it continually diminishes. However, the evidence of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange confirmation on the convention. This blockchain has helped with the end of PC waste and conservation of energy while focusing on their respectability through a special component that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a high rate. Elrond Center designers accept that the egld organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at a charge of $0. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with in excess of 1,000 hubs. This is an immense accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Torrential Slide. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking, compensating validators, and installment of organization charges. Elrond Essential Examination. Elrond organization sent off their Mayar trade, a DeFi convention that gives a stage to clients to give liquidity to pools and furthermore buy egld tokens straightforwardly from their application because of their organization with MoonPay. This joint effort gave egld admittance to that biggest retail economy and furthermore helped the deluge of money to the convention as additional engineers and more people get parts of the token. The token got recorded on many significant stages like Binance, KuCoin, and OKEX. The organization keeps building broad measures to guarantee the legitimate dissemination of its foundation to additional people as its guide expressed. egld is an imposing power in the security area of the digital money market. Elrond likewise banded together with Copper, a computerized care supplier, and has put forth many attempts in the development of digital money schooling by financing crypto foundations. Versatility. Elrond's novel method and sharding process has given it a higher control over its rivals like Ziliqua. The convention attempts to keep a stock of egld tokens that are utilized to stake on the organization during its most memorable year, with the validator hubs getting a 36% every year. The organization keeps introducing itself as a creative computerized economy for decentralized applications and business use, developing to make egld a store of significant worth with a lively biological system. To guarantee a quicker pace of reception in the genuine and virtual world, the task started to help designers making on their foundation and furthermore permitting them to procure more than 30% of the brilliant agreement expenses as eminences. Elrond current cost. Elrond is as of now worth $42.61 USD. egld has moved 0.56% as of now with an exchanging volume of $31,992,626. Elrond is at present positioned 47 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,037,299,969 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Elrond to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Elrond market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Elrond Value Forecast 2023. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The EGLD cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $63.92. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $59.66 in cost is very aggressive, however it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. EGLD is supposed to have a base worth of $51.14. Elrond Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Elrond EGLD cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of EGLD will before long outperform $106.53. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the EGLD's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, EGLD will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $85.23 and a typical exchanging cost of $93.75. Elrond Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. EGLD is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $136.36 and a low of $127.84 in 2025. Elrond Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Elrond effectively helps market opinion among digital money lovers, the EGLD coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. The EGLD is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $191.76, with a base cost of $170.45 and a typical cost of $178.97. Elrond Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the EGLD cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $221.59 by 2027, with a base cost of $213.06 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, EGLD has a most extreme value worth of $234.37. Elrond Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $264.20. On the off chance that EGLD figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $276.98. Neglecting to assemble the help EGLD needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $255.68. Elrond Value Forecast 2029. While EGLD is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $200